This is the Morphe app you're going to use to 3D print your drawings. You're going to draw on the paper first, and then you're going to use the iPads and change it from 2D to 3D, and then we'll put it on a USB drive and 3D print it. We'll use different color filaments. It won't be just silver. So you're starting with the Morphe app, and you open a file and you give it a name. Name it your first name and your class period. And many people use these iPads, so only open up what is yours. So this is what the desktop looks like. And you're going to try, this is the pencil tool. This is the straight line tool. This is the circle tool. This is the rectangle tool. So the fill is empty. Now you can fill it and it'll be a solid color. You can make a pattern. You can adjust the line thickness. Thin lines, thick lines. And then you can make patterns by mirroring whatever you do. And you can make as many mirrors as you want, pretty much. So you can play around with that. It's kind of a fun tool. You always start with the shapes, then go from 2D to 3D, and that's where you're going to be working. So you can start with a circle outline or a square. That's up to you. Shows mirroring the patterns, and that's made to look 3D. And if you print that, it'll be like that. So we're starting over. Give it your first name and your class period. And then when you're done, you'll send it to me. So this is the desktop. And you'll have to get used to working on a 3D surface. So you start with a circle, large circle or a large square. And within that, you're going to do your drawing. Using the pencil tool. And one thing about the 3D, your drawings, everything has to be connected, because it's going to be 3D printed. If it's not connected, it'll just fall apart. See, the circle will fall apart. Starting with shapes, go to 2D to 3D. And this is a fast version. It's 20 times as fast as it was made. Using the line tools, straight line, using the erase tool, the fill tool, and you're going to draw on the iPad what you sketched before you started. When you're done with the drawing, you're going to hit the 3D, and it will make it into a 3D STL file, which you'll then airdrop to my iPad, and it will get printed. You need to have brought in your iPad contract. And that's what it looks like. Fun. The end.